Abiru chenko mishatu na rukago kurugom mahanga shatu na shatu nibo bayitabo mu kwiruka okwa Rwenzori marathon okwa bakuryo kwa kilomita 2 abernemwe 15 aba baba barumuna minister w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwang hamwe no w'ebyoburambuzi Martin Mugara. Okwiruka kwa kilomita 2 kwasingwa Abel Cherengat ombashija kandi z'abakazi zasingwa Emile Chebet omukwiruka kwa mita 2 Abel Chebet nwe yasingeza abashija kandi Rebecca Cherengat yasingeza abakazi.
Basically, one of the main projects that we are running in this region is the Green Schools project, and the Green Schools project is basically working with children to help them understand their environment and what they need to do to conserve the environment.
Kana munchirize nsime abamahurre TV West kureba mutiremu amani mingi kurangera enjiri yo kurwanisa obuhango
kimusya economy abantu bagira sente direct lo munshaho konka echo kiri arobaju marketinga Rwenzori because apart from the ranage harimo products nyingi guzanki hanga.
Abasinga bona bahebwe bichoncho kandi Cherengat hamwe na Chebet abasingeza kilomita 2 bahebwa miliyoni 10 kandi abasingeza inde ndengo batunga miliyoni mushanjo dera abandi batunga miliyoni 5.